In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the projection angle on the headlight of a 2018 Honda Accord. So just come up to the engine bay here, and you will see this right here. And if you look in there, you will see the teeth in that little U shape. And all you're going to have to do is take a Phillips screwdriver and stick it down in those teeth, and you turn it. And when you turn it counterclockwise, the beam angle will go up, and when you turn it clockwise, it'll go down. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And I'm going to be using a screw gun just so to make the video quicker. But you can just use a regular Phillips screwdriver if you want. Alright, so as you guys can see, the driver's side beam is higher than the passenger side. So I'm going to turn it clockwise and take it down a bit. And that looks good about right there. And it's that simple, guys. That's how you aim your headlights. Thanks for watching.